Hello everyone, my name is Ajit and welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove duplicates. So what happened is my boss had asked me to create a report, and by mistake, when I was entering transactions, and I saw that I had quite mistakenly added duplicates into the data. So how I'm going to get rid of it? It's not like one or two. There are around 100 transactions that are duplicate. Will I do it manually, or do we have any shortcuts in Excel? We are going to see that in this video. So stay tuned till the end. Alright, so this is the data wherein I have duplicates. From the first look itself, you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 here. To say there are around 100 transactions in this. Overall, the transactions that I can see is 121, so out of that 100 is duplicate. In order to validate whether actually there is duplicates or not, there's a shortcut to do that. So first we are going to look into it. So now, in order to check if there are duplicates, we can click on home and then click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, and then click on duplicate values. And here you can select the color by which it needs to be highlighted, and based on that it will highlight all duplicates. I will keep it as red. You can see that like almost there are there are duplicates in all the lines. So now how to get rid of it? That's the next question. So the step that I'm going to do is, first I will select one of the column out of this, which is going to be more unique. I mean, it will not. So I will select one of the most unique column out of this, which is obviously employee ID. I'm going to select this column, and then I have to select in its entirety. For that, I can click on Shift, Control, and arrow down. So I selected it in its entirety. Then I will click on Data. So once I click on Data tab, I will have option to remove duplicates, and then I am going to click on Remove Duplicates. Check. You can remove the check if you want, depending upon your requirement. As of now, we want to remove the entire row, as I said. So then I will click on OK. Right, and you can see there is a pop-up which says there were 100 duplicate values found, and Excel have removed it. It was that easy, right? So 20 unique values remains. It means the data have been cleaned perfectly. I'll click on OK, and you can see that the data is clean now. It only has the correct data that we need, which are not duplicates. So this is how you can remove duplicates from a huge data set very easily by going on to by clicking on data and then clicking on remove duplicates. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'm going to bring such simple Excel videos, especially for the people who are beginners in Excel, and slowly and steadily our channel is going to bring in advanced Excel videos as well. So be with us in this journey, and by clicking on that subscribe button, share our video, like our video, so that my channel grows with you, and let us, as I said, let us be together in this journey of growth. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.